School. I am Miss Nancy Kumar, your new English teacher. So, as I said, I'll be teaching you SST as well as English. So, today will be your first English class, online class. So, I want you all to open your English textbooks and go to your first chapter. It is not a chapter actually, it is a poem. So, I want you all to open your first poem. Yes, this is it. It is unit number 1 and poem number 1, life. Now you can see this is the starting of the poem, but for today we will see into this part later on. First we will start with the explanation of the poem, because that is very much important for you to understand the poem. So this page we will be solving after the full explanation of the poem. So first we will concentrate on the meaning of the poem. So I want you all to go to that page. See here. So here is our poem. The title or the name of the poem is Life. Now we will see the explanation of only the first half of the poem, that is only the first 3 stanzas of the poem. Remaining half we will see into the next class, because I don't want you to burden with much explanation, as you should understand it. So only first 3 paragraphs or first 3 stanzas we are going to see today. Is that clear? Okay. So I will first read out the first 3 stanzas of the poem for you. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say, often a little morning rain. Now here you can see OFT is written. That is the short form of the word often. OFTEN, often. So OFT is used as a shortcut for the word often. So we will pronounce it as often, not oft. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by, gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. So till here we are going to see the explanation of the poem today. So I want you to all concentrate over here. As I asked the same question while I was explaining history, I will again repeat the same question over here also, that do you want the explanation to be done only in English language, or you want it partially in Hindi and English as well? Because I want you all to be comfortable. लैंग्वेज शुड नॉट बी द बैरियर इन टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस. इसीलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप व्हाट्सएप पे रिप्लाई करके बोले कि आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश में चाहिए या हिंदी में भी चाहिए, ताकि आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छे से समझ आए. जैसे कि हम अपने प्रॉपर स्कूल, अपने प्रॉपर क्लासरूम्स में नहीं है, इसीलिए हम उतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए. सो मन में कोई डाउट रखे बिना प्लीज़ रिप्लाई ऑन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कि आपको कौन से लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए. फ़िलहाल ये आपका फर्स्ट क्लास है, इसलिए मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन टोटली इंग्लिश में करूँगी, बट अगर आपको आगे का एक्सप्लेनेशन हिंदी में चाहिए, सो वी कैन गो दैट वे ऑल्सो. सो नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. वी विल go stanza wise. We will see the explanation of the first stanza, that is, life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say, often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Made a text available for you, where at the above section I have written the stanza of the poem and below is the explanation, so that if later on you forget about the that particular stanza, you can see the explanation given below. So you can take the screenshot of this part, so that in future if you want to revise the poem again with the explanation, you can see it. So if you want, you can take the screenshot snaps. So now see, as I said, oft, below the last line I have given the meanings also. Now see, oft, oft means often, सेजेस मीन्स सेंट्स, सेंट्स होते हैं ना, संत जिसको हम बोलते हैं, संत महात्मा लोग जो होते हैं उनको सेजेस बोलते हैं, या फिर वाइज मैन, स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर्स बोलते हैं, जिनको धर्म का बहुत सारा ज्ञान होता है. ओके, सो नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, द पोएट says that life is not a dark dream or a nightmare or dark struggle, as the sages says. Sometimes we feel it has started raining in the morning, so the entire day may get wasted. But many times that little rain is an indication that the day may be very pleasant. Similarly, there may be some little problems or difficulties. But instead of thinking negative, we should think that these are signs of good things to come. Yes, why to think always in a negative manner? We should think that these are the positive indications that life is a very pleasant way. So understand the explanation of this stanza. So now I want you all to underline the word often, and above that write its meaning often, OFTEN. Then underline the word sages, and above that write its meaning saints in your textbook, so that it will be with you forever. So if in between you want to revise the poem, you'll be able to find its meaning very easily. So clear with the first stanza that life is not a dark dream, but it is not about only struggle. Sometimes we feel that the raining in the morning, because sometimes we feel that the rain in the morning, if it rains, we feel that, oh god, the whole day is wasted now, why this rain has come, and etc. but many a times that little rain is a good indication, or is an indication of very good things that are going to happen in the remaining entire day. We ignore that good things and we only concentrate on the negative ones. Yes, so that only the poet is trying to say, that ignore the negativity and think and concentrate on the positivity in your life also. Many a times many things happen that makes us feel that our life is full of darkness, or our life is waste of thing, or we don't want to live, or many bad thoughts come in our mind due to many failures or bad situations or anything that happens in your life. Many a times bad thinking comes into your mind, but we should ignore those bad thinkings, as that bad thinkings are not forever in our life. Instead, we should think that now a new start is going to happen, something new, something very big, something very good is going to happen. So we should ignore the negativity and focus on the positivity in our life. Yes, this is what